Say hi guys.
Sige.
Hi guys, listen to us sing.
Morning guys, the Huntrix girls. Okay, so you're the Huntrix. Is here today.
Ikaw si Chloe. Siya si Ron. Kunya na. Mana ba? Ikaw. Kaduhan ba? Yan na.
Given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I made.
Sa atin na po.
Sige, let's go.
I never found my own place. 'Cause rapping song could've got too wild. But like that, I'm gonna say, but you say I'm done hiding now. I'm shining like I wanna be. We dreaming hard, we keep so far now. I believe we're going up, it's all moment. You really gotta go there, coming got me golden. Oh, we are voices. You really think it's so golden. You really got me golden. Oh, I'm not hiding now. I'm shining like I wanna be. Oh, our side, no, please don't hide us. You will find me.
When the sun break these walls down to wake up this day I feel. Put these pains all in the past now and finally live like the girl they all see. No more
Hiding now, be shining like I wanna be. 'Cause we are hunters, boys that's finer. I know I believe. Up, it's all about it. Everything gonna be golden.
Louder.
Everything gonna be golden.
Louder. Let's see. Ayun. Sige, say thank you guys. Thank you for watching guys. Say thank you for watching. I will upload this in YouTube. Sige.
Yes.
Sige na. Thank you guys. Sige.
Thank you guys.
Say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
So thank you for watching guys.
Thank you for watching.
This is, say I'm Yana. You say I'm Isabel. And this is,
Zing.
okay, thank you guys. Bye. Say
Bye. Sige na po, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. What's your channel?
Itong mga kwan.
We don't have a channel.
Asa naman itong mga vlog ni Kwan?
Bye.
Ano yung vlog dyan?
That's Ate Shan.
Kami, go.
Kaya ako na ba na-upload sa akong YouTube?
Naday.
Okay, we'll watch this later in the house.
Huwag na kayo
Okay.
mag-expose. Ayaw, yun.
Ay,
Bye.
Bye.